to work out how big it's going to be. These boxes are 500 overall, 500 millimeters for those in the metric community. These are being fitted into a Mitsubishi Express van. I'm going to put a bigger box in here. I've realised I can put a bigger one, but I'm going to use my 900 box, 900 by 500 box to set it out for my bigger box, and then I have a 1350 box to go in as well. It's the 900 box. As I said, the bigger box is going to go here. It should just be a smidge off the back of this, but I'm going to use this one to set it out because they're the same width. So I measure off the side of the van in its most flattest section. It's pretty much a box, so there's some pretty easy straight sections to measure off for pretty good accuracy. Because of the way the van's set up, this is my work van, just using some tech screws and the washers that they gave, comes with it. These are for the mad bolts and stuff, but I'm just going to install like that, a wood screw straight down, and it's going to hold the box in place. You do whatever you like to fit your box in, but this is what I'm doing just for setting it out. .5/16 hex screw bit. I call them a tech screw. Don't know why. It's just what I've been calling them. Or a techie. So I've only got 2 in it. That'll be enough for now. You pretty much have to disassemble the top of the box and pull the drawer out. They're pretty fiddly, but that's the easiest way to get access to it all. It's sturdy enough for setting it out for the other box, making sure it fits. So I'm putting a 1300 box next to this one. This will be a 1070, and this will sit on top of the 1070. That's the plan anyway. So that in theory is pretty close. They line up perfectly. I've got it set back a bit because it has a handle that sits out. I might not put the handle on that one because I barely use it when I was using this one. It was only if I was parked like that. It does hang out a bit, but it's hitting on a basket. So that's pretty much its position. That's how they should sit. Yeah. That'll fit nicely. Alright, I'll screw them off. Now last time I did it, made a mistake of trying to put these on before. Unfortunately, through design, these have to go on after. So you slide her in, and there's these holes here, the back. Just push that, no, push the bolt through. It'll sit in there, and this will work like a bump stop. So slide to about there, well, about here. That's where it's roller that'll hit, but that there will be, it's, yeah, doesn't slam back. You'll just hit that and yeah. But they've got to be done with the box in, which yeah, their hand instructions weren't all that explicit about. Well, it seems like I made a terrible floor, and yeah, this overhangs a bit too much, but it's precisely where I want it, so I'm just going to cut it back 30mm, straight back to the same size, as thick as the door. That should be perfect. I'll get rid of that. That should be sweet.